To perform Parshva Uttanasana, a forward bend pose, stand in front of the mat and take your right leg back 3 to 4 feet apart according to your height. Turn your back foot 45 degrees in and pelvis center. Raise your arms up with inhalation and you exhale to rest your arms onto the blocks. Then one by one, with flexibility, you turn the blocks down and rest your arms on the block in this manner. Keep your spine neutral into this position. With duration of practice, if your flexibility allow, then turn the blocks even more down, or you just remove the blocks to rest your hands completely on the mat. Fold your head, resting the nostrils, the chin onto the knees in the same manner to complete Parshva Uttanasana. Then you turn back the blocks to the old position and you rest and you take your leg back inside. Now repeat the same process with the another leg, taking 3 to 4 feet back with 45 degrees back foot in. You do the same practice, keeping spine neutral, keeping the blocks in the standing, resting your arms onto it. With slow practice and flexibility, you turn the blocks partial down and you improve your flexibility by resting your hands in there. You try to forward bend and you go another way to turn the blocks down and trying to fold your spine. To final round, you remove the blocks. If your flexibility comes out complete, you rest your forehead, nostrils, chin onto the knees to complete. With center, back to Uttanasana, you exhale to rest your forehead, nostrils, chin to the knees, and then slowly, I will take my feet apart to the sitting bones distance. We'll move back to the center to do a practice of the hamstrings by coming onto my toes, moving forth and back forth onto the heels. In the same way, coming onto the toes, going forward and back to stretch my hamstrings nicely on inhale to front and back and front again to going back. You can do this for 10 counts, coming forth and back, going, doing a stretch multiple times. With Parshva Uttanasana, we can at least hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute into the asana. So now to release, I'm going to stretch completely to Uttanasana position, which is now to exhale, and with inhale we come down to sitting to Ardha Siddhasana to discuss the benefits of Parshva Uttanasana, a pyramid pose in here. To speak of the benefits of Parshva Uttanasana, a pyramid pose, that is, it stretches your hamstrings, calves, spine and glutes. It soothes the nerves of the spine, good for high blood pressure patients. It is a very good asana to perform for digestive system and relieves stress. It also releases tension in the spine, neck and back. It helps in activating abdominal muscles and strengthens thighs and knees. Do try this asana and feel the difference and type me in the comment section. That is all and thank you. Namaste.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.